Ever thought about having your own website to showcase your portfolio, campus organization, research surveys, or even start your own online shop? With Berdu, you can have a sleek and professional website for all your needs. Using Berdu's drag-and-drop website builder, you can create a professional website with just a few clicks. It even includes hundreds of tutorial videos, from basics to advanced. No coding skills needed. You can add animations, parallax, or highlight effects to make your site even more engaging. Are you organizing a university seminar or workshop and need an efficient online registration system? With Berdu, you can build an event website with customizable forms, making it easy to manage everything from registration to data management. With powerful form tools, you can create registration forms for events, reservations, payments, surveys, or even visitor feedback. All data goes straight to an organized database, hassle-free. In addition, Berdu supports multiple languages, so you can create a website accessible to visitors worldwide with automatic or manual language translation options. If you're running an online shop, Berdu also offers features like automated stock updates, product pages, and customer follow-ups. Save time by syncing your products and stock with marketplaces like Shopee, so stock inventory is always automatically updated across platforms. Super convenient. With Berdu, you can also create a digital CV that's much more than just a document. Add interactive media like photos, videos, or animations to make your portfolio dynamic and unique. You can even make digital invitations or interactive digital business cards, letting you stand out with a creative and innovative style. And if you need deeper insights into your website's visitors, Berdu is integrated with Facebook Pixel, TikTok Pixel, and Google Ads tracking. You'll be able to track visitor activity, understand their behavior, and optimize your ads. With Berdu, you're not just building a website, but creating a complete digital solution for your business, organization, or personal portfolio. Ready to start? Try Berdu for free and see what you can build.